So here's how you can download the Kinemaster app on your iPad. Let's get started. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So this video editor is already part of the official app store. So you can literally just go there and look it up as such. You should be able to find it for free. And all you have to do is obviously just click on get and scan your face, authenticate yourself, whatever. And you would be able to just download it right on your iPad. So it isn't like a third-party app which behaves normally. You can also notice that there is also the old version of the app, which is literally as a separate thing on the App Store. So you can also get like the old version is literally called that way. So you can give it a try. I'm not sure if it's still like worth it to use it, but definitely you can go with the new one, and that's how you can start just like editing within the app, right? So that's basically the whole point behind it. There are two apps, so you can both try them out, right? They are both free, but obviously I would go with the later one, which is the packed with feature or whatever. And there you can just edit your videos. You just click on the plus button to create a new thing, and you end up with a nice edit as long as you do all of the things right. But yeah, that's just a quick general guide on how it kind of works. Let me know if there are any like additional specific questions about this. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it later in the future. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.